Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that if you're just downloading something from the App Store and you cannot download app and you are unable to download apps on your iPhone from your App Store, just like that, I'm going to the App Store and just try to something downloading from here and it's saying that you cannot download right now, unable to download apps in your iPhone. So you can fix that issue. So the first step is that you just have to just check your internet connections. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, you just have to just go to the Apple ID and just sign out your Apple ID from there and again sign in your Apple ID. It's very effective. So after that, just go back and just restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, just press the power button and the volume up button and restart your iPhone and just again go to the settings section and just go into the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after updating the iOS version and to check that if is your apps gonna download or not. If not, just go to the settings and just go to the iMo storage and to check that you have an enough storage of not. So if you have enough storage, just go back and just scroll down and just go to transfer reset iPhone and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here and again connect with your Wi-Fi. After connecting with your Wi-Fi, I just try to download something from the App Store, and after that your problem gonna solve. So if your problem not gonna solve, so just have to just go to the check screen time restrictions. Just go to the settings of your iPhone and just go to the screen time and just going to the content and privacy restriction. Just go click on that and just turn it on and see the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Just click on that and see the option of installing apps. Make sure that it's turn it on. After that, just go back and after that your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.